This is how to bake a potato like you might get in a fancy steakhouse. So what you do, you get some olive oil and you get some sea salt and some aluminum foil, and you can see you got the potato in there. It's just a russet potato. And you coat it with olive oil, not too much, but just enough to give it a good coating. And you can see there I've got the sea salt on it. So what you want to do, and don't use table salt, use sea salt, something like this. And you can find olive oil and sea salt linked within this video's description. But that's going to give it that really good flavor and coating. And see, you can see the salt. See the salt on there? Look at that. You want to generously put it on. And see, that's sticking to the olive oil. And this is just going to make a really, when it bakes, obviously you'll wrap it up in the foil. I usually bake them at 400 degrees for about an hour. But look at that. And when that thing comes out, man, you're going to feel like you're in a steakhouse. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.